If you're looking for the best deal in Phoenix with an RV garage, guys, this is a 40-foot RV garage by 14.5. And you're going to be priced in the mid 600s. This is definitely going to be the video for you. Make sure you stay tuned. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. We are so excited to bring you this new community. I'm with my beautiful wife, Sabree.
Hello.
We are here at Acclaim, located in Phoenix. And I got to tell you guys, this is probably one of the best communities located in Phoenix, Arizona. Would you agree, Sabree?
It's stunning.
Yeah, if you're looking for something that can actually have it for the whole family, we're actually standing in one of the jungle gyms that you have here. But if you take a look this way, we have the aquatic center. They're actually going to be filling that pool here within the next, I think, 60 days. And if you look right behind me again, you see this beautiful park. Look at that, guys. It's huge, absolutely massive. So you can see yourself hanging out here, having fun with the friends and family. You can have barbecues, you can have cookouts, you can probably just play team sports here. But you also have pickleball courts, basketball courts, and another cool thing too, you see that little white spot right there? That's actually the Cardinal Stadium. So you're within minutes away from the Westgate Entertainment District. You have the Tanger Outlets where all the wives love to do the shopping. Isn't that right, Sabree?
Yes,
Yep.
so nice.
You have beautiful restaurants there, really good. They also have Harkins Theater, and then they also are building a $1 billion, I'm not kidding, with a B, $1 billion resort and hotel that's going to be probably finished here within the next year. It's called Via. You also have the Desert Diamond Casino that's just minutes away. You also have a really nice Top Golf. I think they're even building a new indoor, we call it go-kart. Is that correct?
I'm not sure.
Oh,
Possibly.
well, from what I looked, yes, they are actually building one of those, literally like 2 minutes away. Guys, this has amazing freeway access to the 101, to the I-10. So if you're looking to be within 25 minutes to get to Scottsdale, or if you're looking to be within 20 minutes to get to the airport, or if you need to be in North Phoenix, if you need to be in North Peoria, or if you need to even get over to the East Valley, you have a really good location. You're literally 60 seconds away from any freeway here.
Yep.
It is fantastic. But enough of that, guys. We want to show you what this community is about. They actually have 3 different series. They have affordable, mid-tier, and then they have a more luxurious series that actually has RV garages. Guys, if you're looking for an RV garage, this is definitely the videos and definitely the ones that you want to watch. But we're going to take you through all of these models that they actually have on each series, so make sure you stay tuned, make sure you pay attention, and we can't wait to see you on the inside. Alrighty guys, here we are in the second model. What's the name of this one?
This one's called the Eureka.
The Eureka.
Yep,
right?
this one's 2,130 square feet.
Okay.
This one is going to be 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a flex room, a 2-car garage, and a 14 by 38 foot RV garage.
There we go,
Yay.
now we're talking.
You can also accommodate a 4th bedroom if you want, a home office or an extra dining space.
Beautiful.
So,
and this one's a single level?
this one is a single level.
Okay,
So
perfect.
let's check it out.
So assume we're right in the front door, but I believe their first garage is right over here to the right, correct?
Yes, this is gonna be first garage right here.
Okay. It's a good size 2-car.
Yep, 2-car garage.
It's definitely a construction manager's garage at this point.
Yes.
Okay, and then we also have a bedroom right off of here.
Yep.
correct?
Head this way. We're gonna head into the bedroom right here. Really cute decor. Super nice size. Really good size closet over here for the kiddos or as guest bedroom.
And they have their own bathroom.
Yep. I have a linen closet here. I love these doorknobs.
All the storage,
Cool.
which is great.
All the storage. Walk-in shower here.
Nice, but you can also do your tub if you
Also
wanted
do a
to.
tub, yep. Customize it how you like.
Single vanity. All right.
Head down the hallway here. And you're gonna walk in right here to what they have as their office area.
Love
this
this.
is the area that could be the flex space. It could be a bedroom. It could be extra dining space.
Beautiful. Look at the tray
Office.
ceilings though, right? Point those out. I love the tray
Right here.
ceilings on here with the
So
under
pretty.
lighting.
So
Really
beautiful.
beautiful.
It feels like very coastal in here.
And that's an option. So guys, if you guys decide to get one of these houses, put that in the house because it looks fantastic.
For sure. We're gonna head in here to the 2nd bedroom. Also another really good sized bedroom. Lots of space, nice closet over here. So essentially these 2 bedrooms have their own bathroom.
Wonderful.
So we'll walk in over here to the left and head into this bathroom. This one has a tub. Really nice. Nice vanity. Now we're gonna head into the living space here. They have their dining area right here.
Again with the tray ceilings. Point those out, honey.
Yeah,
it's
beautiful.
Even during the daytime,
this
looks
just elevates
fantastic.
the space.
Elevated is the perfect word.
Really, really cool.
Perfect area for dining if you want to have family. This one's an 8-person dining table here, and then great living room space.
Yeah, it's very spacious.
Oh yeah. And then you have your beautiful, clean kitchen over here.
It's so nice. I
Absolutely
love it.
love this. And take a look at these new shaker style guys. These are really thin, probably 1/2-inch shaker right there. Got a very nice, sleek design. I really like
pretty.
it. These like titanium or gunmetal poles look fantastic. This one decided to go with electric cooktop. But you also have your oven, your microwave over there, and then another wonderful walk-in pantry that we all love.
Yes. Really good size.
Yep. And then just adding more to the lighting, you have the underlit cabinets
That looks
on
really
top
nice.
and the bottom right here. I'll just point those out here. So even during the daytime, those just look like, see, we said very elevated. Why don't we show them outside, honey?
Sure. This one has the 12-foot slider doors. Really nice size back here. I love the travertine tile.
Yep. Love all the seating area they create here. Nice
Yeah,
little
this is
hammock
nice.
over there for a afternoon nap.
I know, I might go take a nap right now.
It's about to blow away in the wind.
Come back inside, let's go check out the master bedroom.
But before we do,
But before we do,
the best part of
something
this
in
property.
here. Check it out. RV garage, heaven.
Check her out, ladies and gentlemen. Get your trucks, get your RVs, get your side-by-sides. This is gonna be for you. I like how they did the paint job in here too. It looks really cool. Again, tankless water heater. You also have your soft water loop connection right there. And then obviously your security door for your access to the back.
Really nice.
Yep. And then you have your laundry room over here, right off of the garage. Really cool tile selection.
I know, this is really nice. I love it. This is cool.
So upgraded pet cabinetry, and they upgraded the plumbing for the sink in here as well.
Head this way. This is going to be a linen closet here. All the storage
Again,
space.
all moms, all the storage.
Nice sized master bedroom. It's really bright. I love how the windows just give
Yeah,
so much light in here.
love all the light.
It's going to be your bathroom space.
Vanity,
We have the tub here.
tub, shower combo.
Combo.
Walk in, it's great.
And then your closet here.
They really knew what they were thinking about with all these closets. Tons of space. That's probably his section right there.
And they all have a mirror on front and back of the door, which I love. Every girl's gonna love that.
Yep. Well, wonderful, honey. So
Yeah, so that
give us a
concludes
recap.
this house. This one again is called the Eureka. It's 2130 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, flex space, 2-car garage, and then you have that amazing RV garage right here.
And what was the starting price on this one?
This one is gonna start at $576,900.
Before we let you go, we want to make sure that we give you some of the exclusive features that are actually included in this home. And when you reach out to us and you're asking about, which community is this, which builder is it, what the pricing, we're happy to send you all this information. We just want to make sure we get on a phone call with you and we can discuss, some of the options, some of the benefits, and even discuss about some of the particulars when it comes to like the financing here as well. Isn't that right, Sabree?
Yes,
Yeah.
we would love to get on a call with you.
Yep, but some of the features that we really want to point out here is a lot of them that comes included is like they come with 10-foot ceilings, which is really nice. You have your 4-inch baseboards that are included. Okay, it all comes with 2-inch faux blinds. You can also upgrade those if you wanted to as well. You do have your option for your chef's kitchen. 3cm granite slab or quartz, which is really nice. You do have the option for your gourmet kitchen packages here. GE, you can do gas here, which is super huge, especially if you're wanting to do a lot more cooking, a lot more entertaining. They all come with a range in the hood.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Some of the actual appliance upgrades that they actually have for you are GE Profile, GE Cafe, GE Monogram, and even Sub-Zero Wolf, which is also a really nice benefit to have here as well. You do have the tankless water heater, and you are plumbed for the water softener. So sorry. You are plumbed for the water softener. Oh, and really huge. Obviously, everybody knows that we have Teslas here in every city, in every state. So you do actually have the EV charging station in the RV garages, and also standard in the 2-car garages here as well. Okay, guys, these are just some of the benefits that you can actually have. You know, when we have brought the clients in here, not only looking for ourselves, but we've been able to do some really good negotiation here. Just so you guys know, there are lot premiums here. We are in phase 1. I believe they only have around maybe 20 lots left, you know, for phase 1. If you're looking to be in a cul-de-sac, there's only 2 cul-de-sacs in phase 1. You are going to pay a premium anywhere from $25,000 up to $55,000. But if you wanted to wait till phase 2, we can probably negotiate that. We do see some other ones that are in the $5,000, $7,500, or even $10,000. And these are good sized lots, especially if you're going to actually get an RV garage, something really beneficial to help. And we have the ability to negotiate closing costs on your behalf. So let us know, because last time we actually spoke with somebody, we were able to get almost actually over $10,000 worth of closing costs for our clients. But we have to actually work with you. We have to sign our buyer broker agreement. We would love to represent you and make sure we can get you those additional costs, because that is really huge, especially when you're trying to buy down your interest rate or do like a 3-2-1 buy down program, or if we can buy it down and maybe get to a 4.99 or a 5.99 fixed for a 30-year. This is what we want to have a conversation with you, with a lender, to make sure it fully makes sense, not only for you financially, but also for your family and for your future. Okay. Yeah. So guys, if you're interested in this community, please feel free to reach out to us. We have all the information in the description below. You can book a call with us. You can get on our Calendly. We can set up a Zoom. You can reach out to our phone numbers here directly. But until then, guys, we can't wait to see you on the next new build. And if you guys have any questions, we love to treat you as family. We don't have friends. We only have family. And we can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care, guys.
Bye.